Today is Jessica's birthday. She's been wanting these pots and pans from a brand called Caraway, and I didn't know much about them other than they're expensive. So I went ahead and I picked those up. I don't think that she knows this. If she does, she's done a good job of hiding it. So I'm going to set the camera up to hopefully get her reaction. We're going to see how this goes. And then after we do that, we're going to do an unboxing of this and just kind of initial first impressions of those pots and pans. Okay, so that was a swing and a miss. I walked into the kitchen and she was already in there looking at the box of pots and pans with a big smile on her face. So no reaction video, but I will give you my version of her reaction, which was basically that I am the best thing that ever happened to her and she wants to have my babies forever, and pretty much like second only to Jesus, I am the best man in the world.
Hello and welcome to my very first unboxing video. As you already know, Jeremy got me the Caraway cooking set for my birthday. And you might be saying, like, dude, like, you bought your wife pots and pans for her birthday? It's okay. I did ask for them, and I am a bit of a practical gift receiver. So this is right up my alley. All right, so the first one looks like it's gonna be the lids. So one thing about these, this cookware, there are several different colors that you can choose from. And, oh my goodness, so beautiful. I requested the green. Can you even? Oh my goodness, they are packaged really well. This piece right here actually has a protectant over it that you'll peel off. But yes, super pretty, oh my goodness. And this is really cool. It comes with a storage bag thing, hook. Anyways, so you can hang this either inside your cabinet, or if your door is big enough, you can hang it on the door. So that's really cool. Anything in this? No. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They are so stinking pretty. Oh my goodness. Whew. If pots and pans were sexy, these would be them. Like, oh my goodness. So stinking pretty. Heavy, like a really good heft to them. So it also comes with, let's see, storage for the pans as well. So these go on the bottom of your cabinet and they just stack in there. Really neat. So this is the saucepan. The set comes with the saucepan, the fry pan, the Dutch oven, and then, if I can get it out, the saute, the saute pan as well. And then looks like, and then each of those come with the stacking storage. And then looks like trivets. So that's nice. My parents actually got this set probably over a year ago, before, like, I feel like the craze came about them. And so it was really nice because, like, I just check in with them each month and be like, all right, how are you liking your pans? And they love them, and they're real cooks. I'm just a pretend cook. Very impressed, like super heavy duty. They're beautiful to look at, so that's always nice. One thing I did notice when I was getting everything out, these little organizers are magnetic, so I think that's gonna come in handy when you're pulling the pots and pans out and putting them back in. I think they're gonna stay together really well. But I will keep you guys posted on how these work out. I'm super excited because they're beautiful. I think Jeremy's excited because maybe this will make me cook more. Who knows? So I have high expectations for these guys. So yeah, that'll do it for us. We'll see you guys next time. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe.